In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a watch from the company F.ZEGAO. Maybe is how you would say that. And this is a waterproof digital watch, 10 bar of depth on it. And you know what? Just going over the outside here, I don't really see anything on the outside, but check out how it comes. Very nicely presented. You guys see how it is. I've already taken it out and looked over it. Comes in this little container here is a gift container. Let's just kind of like open this up. Kind of looks like a peanut container. And then the watch itself, I have a Garmin smartwatch, but every now and then I want to get a different type of watch that's not so much with all this features on it. I think sometimes I just want to have a watch that doesn't have all of the messaging and all that. Let's just go over the back of this thing. It's stainless steel back. Looking over it here, you've got the set. So you've got digital on the inside. I think I already took the little screen off. And what I like is the analog on the outside. It's got the date and time on it. And then you can adjust it right there. You can see that. It's got a light. I don't know if you can see the light down in there. But the light lights up all of the numbers. I can't really show it in the camera, but the light locks up, shows all of the numbers. It has the name on the front. You can turn it to different, like alarms, set, all that right there. And putting it on, it has a very nice premium feel to it. This thing does not feel like cheap at all. It has a good premium feel to it and the looks of it. You know what? It's just basically your normal, I guess we'll call them acoustic watches now. I like the looks of this. I'll be using this on like some of my paddling or camping adventures where I don't have to worry about a battery so much. These if you got an Apple Watch or a Garmin like this, you got to be careful. You got to carry your charger with you. I'm already at 41%. You got to keep them charged all the time. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the F.ZEGAO acoustic watch. See y'all in the next video.